Hello! You've now completed shooting a job as a FotoFetch photographer, and you're ready to prepare and submit the images you've collected to complete the job. Let's take a quick look at how to submit media. To prepare your submission, you should review all images you've collected very closely to make sure before anything else that the advertisement or subject in each of your images is in sharp focus and not in any way blurry, fuzzy, or obstructed. Also, confirm your images meet each of the requirements listed in the photographer's instructions. You should then select the requested number of photos you wish to submit for this job. It is a good idea to include a few extra photos as backups in case any issues arise once they're reviewed by a photo editor. But please limit them to no more than 10 additional photos. Once your curated selection of images are ready, go to the fulfillment page for the job in your FotoFetch account and click on Upload Files. In the gray box, you're able to drag and drop the image files straight from your desktop. Or, as I'll show in this example, you may also browse to select your files individually by clicking Browse, locating your images, selecting one or multiple files, then clicking Open. In some cases, a pop-up window may appear. This message notifies you that there are images in your submission that do not meet the minimum requirements of 10 megapixels and/or 2 megabytes per file. If you choose to continue with these images despite the warning, please be aware your images will be rejected and returned to you, and your submission will not be completed until the files meet the requirements. It is strongly recommended that you correct the issue and upload images that meet the requirements before proceeding. In most cases, there will be no error message and your selected images will begin to upload automatically. You can view each image's progress by checking its preview thumbnail. You cannot submit your images until they've completed uploading and completed processing. However, before you submit your files, you have several options for accessing your images, which can be found by hovering your mouse over each image's preview thumbnail. Here, you'll be able to enlarge the image, zoom in and zoom out, review the image's EXIF data, and finally, should you choose to remove an image from your submission, you have the option to delete the file and remove it from the site. Please note, you have access to these options only while you're preparing your submission. Once you click to submit your files, changes can no longer be made and your submission is locked in. Once your photos are ready, click Submit Files and you'll receive a confirmation message. You're all set with submitting your images. Now take a moment to leave notes in the comments section of the order. The comments are where we conduct all communication with photographers on each job, and we urge you to use them to communicate as much as you like with anything pertaining to the job, including when you submit your photos, which is the time to provide any details about the shoot that might be important for us or the customer to know. From issues that arose, the location address being inaccurate, the ad not running where it's supposed to, delays, accidents, anything that might at all come up, you should let us know here. Usually this only helps us get the job completed faster and assists us when addressing with the client any issues or questions they may have once they've received their images. In some cases, if the images submitted do not meet the requirements of the job, they will be returned to the photographer. This return will be accompanied by an email and notification alerting you. It will always include the reason for the return and the steps you can take to resubmit and get your photos approved and the job completed. Once your submission has been approved and is marked as completed, payment will be processed and you will receive your payment via Venmo or PayPal depending on your preference. Payment will arrive in your account within 3 business days. Confirm you have entered your payment details in your account settings to avoid any delays. That's it! You've completed a job as a FotoFetch photographer. It's just that easy. When you're ready, you can browse available jobs in your area and accept your next assignment. We look forward to working with you again.